Hi! If you have converted data to Excel, then it might happen that numbers have been stored as text. You can see a little green triangle up in the left corner. Simply select the cells, and then an exclamation mark would show up. Hover the mouse over that mark and choose Convert to Number. Now the numbers are aligned to the right. And that's it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you get the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.